Hey guys, here is a complete tutorial on how people are making anywhere from $100 to $700 a day, and some people even in the thousands and tens of thousands a day just by using Chat GPT. Stick around after the intro and I'll show you how. Hey guys, I'm Wendy Jo. I believe in 100% free education. So that's what you will find here on my channel. I teach you guys everything about passive income as well as other side hustles that you can do from home or anywhere. All I ask in return is that you hit that subscribe button, which helps me in the algorithm. I wanted to start earning income from home because I was a stay-at-home mom and we needed the extra income, but it did not make sense to pay a daycare to raise my 5 kids because let's be honest, the cost of daycare, I would have been paying out more to daycare than I would have been making at my job. So I started working from home 25 years ago. It's definitely changed a lot over the years. So today what I want to show you is some of the newest innovations with working from home, which is using Chat GPT to create income, specifically to create passive streams of income, because that is what we talk about here on this channel mostly, is how to create passive income. So if you don't know, ChatGPT is an AI software that basically does all the hard work for you, which is just amazing. So you're going to go over to openai.com and you're going to click on this try button, and it's going to have you set up an account to use ChatGPT. As you can see, a lot of people are utilizing it. I am sure they are overwhelmed because everybody's talking about it. It is pretty cool. There are some glitches that still occasionally happen, and you're just going to have to kind of work through those as it goes. I don't know how long this will remain for free, but I highly recommend you use it while you can, while it's free. Another free option is using Canva AI. It's called Magic Write. It's not quite as advanced as ChatGPT is, but I believe as it goes, it will only get better over there as well. So we'll do another tutorial on that later. So let's jump into this. So one of the things that you can do with ChatGPT is a lot of your typical work from home jobs like Fiverr or Upworks, copywriters or email marketing campaigns. All of these types of things can be done with ChatGPT. Even if you don't have a lot of experience in this, you can use ChatGPT to create the content for you. So I did a quick one here: write an article with good SEO for Bob's Carpet Cleaning in Decatur, Illinois. Obviously this is just totally made up. Maybe there is a Bob's Carpet Cleaning in Decatur, Illinois, but I put that into the question down here and it wrote me an article that could then be used on a website. You could use bits and pieces of it throughout the website. You could even use parts of it for Instagram, I mean, all kinds of social media marketing. So this is something that I didn't write this at all. So somebody could list themselves as a copywriter on Fiverr, and you could use ChatGPT to create that content for you. So that would be website content. Email marketing is another huge aspect that you can make money with ChatGPT. So whether you are selling your services to do email marketing for somebody else, you can see, they have something as simple as $15, $10 to $150, $100, $120, $200, $250. And basically with email marketing, if you've ever clicked on something and put in your name and email, you agreed to receive emails from that company, and they're going to send you information that they think is valuable to you. And so with that, you can actually create email marketing campaigns right here in ChatGPT. I can tell you with my website, one of my biggest struggles is when people fill out that form of subscribe. I'm like, what do I send to people? Like, that was really hard for me in the beginning because I didn't know like what's valuable to people. What do people want to know? But it's a great way to market your products, whether you're doing this as a side hustle on Fiverr for somebody else, or you have your own, YouTube course that you sell, or your own, products that you sell. You can use ChatGPT to do that. So I'm going to tell it to create 10 emails for, actually we'll just do 5 because it's been super slow lately because of all the people trying it. Create an email marketing campaign with 5 emails selling. What are we going to sell? Selling my YouTube courses, which
I don't have any YouTube courses. But right now what Chat GPT is doing is it is thinking, and it's going to create an email marketing campaign with 5 emails selling my YouTube courses. So I'm going to let it think, and we're going to go over and I'm going to show you where if you don't have anything to sell, you can go to ClickBank, you can go to Digistore 24, and you can find things to sell. And I used to think that these places were total scams. I will be honest with you. And I'm here to admit the error of my ways. There are a lot of legitimate businesses on here. And rather than paying for advertising on TV or paying for advertising on the internet, they pay people like you and I with affiliate marketing to make money for them. And in turn, they pay us a hefty amount to promote them. Now, there's a lot of affiliates out there that pay you pennies. Amazon, Target, like a lot of those different stores. So if you're more comfortable doing those types of things, you can totally do that. But the bigger money comes when you're promoting things on ClickBank and Digistore 24 because they're promoting more expensive things. So health and fitness, for instance, if you go in here, you can see there are all kinds of products. And I'll quickly show you. Gravity score is how many people in the last 30 days have made money. And this is the average amount that they have made per sale. So you can see there are tons of products. And I mean, you can make a lot of money with these. And I just recommend going in, checking out their affiliate page, reading more information about the product. Recurring is always good, which means that if they get it once and they like it, they're going to come back and buy more. They're going to set up on auto ship, which means you're going to get paid. You're going to get paid. So the $25.48 would be a recurring that would come in after the initial $143.73 on here. So you can see there are a ton of things, and that's just in the health and wellness industry. So you can actually create an email marketing campaign to your email list around your specific niche. Obviously, if you teach people how to earn passive income, you're probably not going to be selling them a weight loss product or pro dentum in the dental niche. But if you're in the dental niche, then absolutely, you know, if you are into supplements and those types of things, then and your audience is built around that, then this is, you would sell them something like this. Obviously, you can go through here, you can search, but you can use an email marketing campaign to sell any of these types of things. Okay, so it's now writing me 5 emails for an email marketing campaign to unlock the secrets of YouTube success with our courses. And I mean, it's just pulling this out of thin air. Well, not really out of thin air. It's searching the World Wide Web for it, but it's creating this. And then you can turn around and put these into an automated system inside of something like MailChimp, which is free for like, I think your first 5,000 subscribers or something like that. And then you pay a monthly fee after that. But once you have that many customers or clients or whatever, that big of an email base, then you're okay. So you can then take these and you can use them in your email marketing campaign. So subject line, unlock the secrets of YouTube success with our courses, introduce the courses and highlights their benefits such as increasing views and subscriber. So if you want to be more specific, then you could say, let's do this again. So create an email marketing campaign selling my courses on how to go from 0 to 10,000 subscribers in 3 months, which I don't have a course like that. Just giving it some specifics. So learn how to grow your subscriber base by 10,000 in just 3 months. Dear so-and-so. Okay, now so this, I forgot to tell it to do 5. So once it's done here, I can say create 4 more emails for this campaign. So I forgot to put in 5. So I'm letting it finish typing, and then I'm going to tell it to create 4 more emails for this campaign. But you can see it's writing the entire email for me. this is like one of the things that I do not enjoy doing, is writing these emails, just simply because there's so much time and energy that goes into it and getting the wording right. And so this is literally writing me all of the emails that I would need to send out in a 5 email campaign, or if I wanted to do a 10 email campaign to market a product. All right, now we're to the last, and well, not the last, but we're to the last one on this video, way that you can make money with Chat GPT. And it's going to tie in with ClickBank, or Digistore 24, but it is actually creating YouTube ads with this exact same format. So I'm going to actually go back over here, and I'm going to open another Chat GPT just because of how it's still working over there. But you can actually go in and say, create a script for a YouTube ad selling sleep spray. Okay. Say that you're creating ads because you're selling a product from ClickBank that is a sleep spray. I don't even know if there's a sleep spray over there, but we're just saying that. And so it's creating a script for me for a YouTube ad. And I'm actually going to be doing another video that explains how step by step to create a YouTube ad. So make sure you watch for that. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notifications so you don't miss that, because that will be coming up in the next week or so. So people are making hundreds, if not thousands upon tens of thousands of dollars a month simply by running YouTube ads. And so that is another training we're going to do. I'm not going to include it in this one. So if you want to know more about that, make sure you hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss it when that training pops up. But I'm going to take you guys step by step through how to create a YouTube ad and how to run those so that they are optimized and you can make the most money on those. Thanks for joining me, and I'll talk to you soon.